In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off sticky keys in Windows 11 or Windows 10 on your PC. Sticky keys is an accessibility feature that lets you press keyboard shortcuts one key at a time instead of holding them down together. For example, instead of pressing Ctrl, Alt, and Delete at the same time, sticky keys allows you to press each key separately, and Windows treats it like a combined shortcut. This can be helpful for some users, but for many people it just gets in the way, especially if it turns on accidentally when you press the Shift key several times in a row. If you're finding that your keyboard is behaving strangely, or shortcuts feel delayed or stuck, you probably want this turned off. Let's walk through how to disable sticky keys completely so it doesn't bother you again. The process is very similar in Windows 10 and Windows 11. First, open the Settings app. The quickest way to do this is by pressing the Windows key and the letter I on your keyboard at the same time. If you prefer using your mouse, you can also click the Start button, then click the gear icon, or select Settings from the menu. Once Settings is open, look for the section related to accessibility. In Windows 11, this is called Accessibility. In Windows 10, it may be labeled Ease of Access. Click that option to open the accessibility settings on the left-hand side, or in the main list depending on your version. Find the keyboard section and click it. This is where Windows keeps all the settings related to keyboard behavior and special features like sticky keys. Inside the keyboard settings, look for the sticky keys option. You'll see a toggle switch that lets you turn sticky keys on or off. If the switch is currently on, click it to turn it off. When it's off, sticky keys will stop modifying how your keyboard shortcuts work. Just below the main toggle, you'll usually see additional options related to sticky keys, such as allowing the shortcut where pressing Shift 5 times turns it on. If you want to make absolutely sure sticky keys never activates by accident, uncheck or turn off that shortcut option as well. This prevents those rapid shift presses from enabling it in the future. After you've turned sticky keys off and disabled any shortcuts for it, you can simply close the settings window. Your changes are saved automatically, and your keyboard should now behave normally again.